Segmented labor market means that there's two types of jobs. For the same position within the same firm, you can get hired under two different contracts. One is an indefinite contract. It says you have the job and you have the job for indefinitely, forever. In that type of, usually they have higher wages, they get training, there's little turnover. Once you get one of these jobs, you really stick to it, especially in Spain, because it's so difficult to get to it. And if you lose your job, if you get fired, you have severance pay, it's high, and you have, quite high benefits. The other contract is the fixed term contract. It's a contract that says it can be from 1 day to up to 3 years. And in theory, it cannot be renewable, although this was never binding, has not really been binding. So basically, what this means is that I hire you for 1 day or 3 months or 1 year, or maybe I'll hire you from December, from September to May, and then I fire you over the summer because I don't need you and you go on unemployment. There's a lot of turnover, low wages, no need for the employer to train you, because as soon as the contract finishes, he won't give you the job, he'll hire somebody else. So then the employer doesn't have too much incentive to train the worker or to invest in high technology, high productivity technology.